Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll once again explain how to create desktop shortcuts for specific links, such as websites or URLs, using a group policy object. With group policy preferences, we can centrally create and manage these shortcuts across all computers in a domain, without having to manually configure each client. This saves time, ensures consistency, and keeps users connected to essential web resources immediately upon logging in. This is a very useful setting for domain administrators who want links to specific important websites to automatically appear on the desktops of all users, or users within a specific organization or unit. Okay, let's get started. Open Server Manager and in the upper right corner, click on the Tools menu. From there, select Group Policy Management, where we create and manage group policy objects. In the left-hand tree, expand Domains and select your domain. Right-click on the organizational unit containing the users for whom you want to receive desktop links. From the menu, click Create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Give the GPO a descriptive name for this policy so it's easy to access at any time, and click OK. Then right-click on the group policy object that was just created and select Edit, which will open the Group Policy Management Editor. On the left side of the editor, navigate to the path shown on the screen, and I'll leave the path in the video description. This section creates .url shortcuts without scripting. On the other side, right-click on the object and click New, then Shortcut. A new shortcut dialog box will appear. In front of the action, there's a drop-down menu with several options. I'll select Update so that the shortcut is updated every time the user logs in. In the name field, I'll type Google, for example, since I'm creating a shortcut to open the Google page. You can enter your company's URL or any other URL. And the target type, for website links, select the URL option. For location, select Desktop, and in front of target URL, enter the Google page address, which is the link the shortcut will open. Then click on the Apply button and OK. Now the created shortcut entry appears in the shortcuts list inside the GPP editor. I will create a shortcut for another link, for example, a shortcut that opens the Yahoo page. With the same steps, create the second shortcut. You can certainly create many shortcuts on the client's desktop. You will now see two entries in the Shortcuts section, one named Google and the other named Yahoo. Both shortcuts will be created on the user's desktops every time they log in, even if the user deletes these shortcuts from their desktop. Now close all open windows and verify that the group policy object is applied to one of the client's computers. From a computer that is joined to the same domain and belongs to the organizational unit where you applied the GPO, execute the command gpupdate/force in the command prompt window. Once the update is complete, Windows will automatically apply the GPO settings for this user, and the shortcuts will appear on the desktop. As you can see, the Google and Yahoo shortcuts are now available, indicating that the policy is working perfectly. Creating desktop shortcuts for website links using a group policy object makes it easy for domain administrators to give users instant access to important web resources, whether it's your company's portal, intranet, or any online service. This method ensures all users have these shortcuts automatically on their desktops without manual setup. If you liked this video, click like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.